Hey YouTube, welcome back. For those who are new, welcome to the Lens. This has been my most requested video, so I would like to present to you my everyday carry. This is what I typically use when I step out for my POV street photography. What I use when I travel and kind of move about the city, or any city per se. What you're looking at the moment is my DJI Pocket 2, my WANDRD Provoke 21 liter backpack, and my Yashica FX3. This is my WANDRD Provoke, like I mentioned before, my 21 liter backpack. Such a great bag. I've watched a lot of videos and checked out so many other YouTubers and their thoughts on the bag, and basically when it came down to it, it was a no-brainer. I use my Peak Design capture clip, or the Peak Design system as a whole, for my cameras. And you can see on the bag it's strapped to my left side. I use it because it's an easy release, just a twist and boom, it's off. I love how accessible it is when I want to switch to handheld. It's secure, very well built. And as you can see here on this video, here's the view from the DJI Pocket itself. As you can see, it kind of lets me just walk around, not really have to pay attention to it. It records as I move, it moves. My favorite part is that it's stable. You can see sometimes while I'm recording that you can see the left side of my camera. So it kind of gives you a cool experience because you can see my angle, my view of what I'm shooting. The camera itself, the DJI Pocket, is super stable. And basically this is what I look like when I'm out and about. Alright, now let's get into the bag itself. Besides its functionality, what can I say? This bag, aesthetically speaking, just fits my style without compromising, obviously, its functionality and comfort. I love how this bag has all different kinds of compartments. It's great in that I can adjust the cubbies to fit my equipment. You can see that when I put my camera in, it fits pretty snug. All these compartments are kind of velcroed together, so you can adjust it to what you want. So if you have a drone or other camera lenses, you can adjust it as you need. Here we have my 35mm prime lens. This is what I typically use to shoot my street photography. It's my go-to lens. Right now on the Fuji XT4, which I'm recording this, I'm currently using my Fujifilm XF 16 to 55mm, the f2.8 lens. That is my secondary lens, which I use mainly when I'm out and about. Both lenses are waterproof. I have my air blaster, which, you know, it's a must if you're out and you're a photographer. You know how important this is. The bag in itself is waterproof, so it's a good backpack to have in inclement weather. Next, we have my Moment Sling. This is what I typically use during a minimal everyday carry. I just brought it along today just to show the bag itself. It's just big enough for a lens, a multi-tool. I also have a designated tech pouch where I keep my cleaning cloth, my DJI accessories, anything else that I may need to carry, the extra battery for the DJI Pocket 2. I also have some, multi-purpose tools in there, external adapter in case I need to, do a photo dump. For those of you who are not familiar with the snap mount, this is a magnetic mount, which is awesome. I mean, you can put this thing almost on anything and it attaches itself. I put this thing on cars, on poles, anything that you could imagine that it can mount to. I mean, it's super durable, super strong. Normally I wear this in the summertime when I don't want to carry my backpack, so it just kind of sticks between my t-shirts and I'm ready to go. It's a great alternative to the Peak Design clip. And last but not least, I have my Allen key. I just like to have it around. It doesn't take up any space. For those of you who haven't placed it, I'm currently on Roosevelt Island shooting this video. It's a beautiful little island between the island of Manhattan and Queens. You can see it when you cross the 59th Street Bridge. If you're ever in the city and want to just, get away but not get away, highly recommend you come visit this place. wanted to take a moment to thank you guys again for watching. When I started making these videos, it was from my parents who relocated down to Florida, and they were always telling me, man, I wish I can see New York City again. I appreciate every follow, every comment, and feedback. I am further than where I was a year ago, and looking forward to where I'll be a year from now. Until next time, be safe, keep snapping away. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to hit the bell button, and I'll see you soon.